Save half the carbs compared to regular white bread and get 8 times more fiber plus almost double the protein. Nutty, filling, and actually good for your digestion. Let's get started. Grind flax seeds into a fine flour. You can buy it pre-milled, but I like doing it fresh. In a separate bowl, whisk egg whites until light and foamy. This adds air, which makes the bread softer and less dense. In a large bowl, combine the whipped egg whites with a little salt, baking powder, and psyllium husk. Stir gently. Add the flax flour gradually, mixing carefully so you don't lose the air. Then add rye flour or oat flour if you want a gluten-free version, and mix again until no dry spots remain. The dough should be thick and sticky. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes, then add a teaspoon of olive oil and mix again. Line a baking pan with parchment. You can lightly brush it with oil if you want. Transfer the dough, smooth the top, and sprinkle with seeds if you like, or skip them to keep calories lower. Bake in a fully preheated oven. Bake at a moderate temperature for 40 minutes. It may not look like classic bread, but the taste is nutty. The texture is soft, and toasted slices are amazing. I rarely buy bread. I prefer making this one, especially for breakfast. My favorite way? With butter, banana, and honey. Quick, filling, and full of goodness. I also have other healthy bread alternatives linked in the description. I love bread that you can eat without worrying about your waistline. Full recipe and macros are in the description. Let me know what kind of bread you'd like me to make next. Thanks for baking with me.